and check out how nicely these pegs go on here. So what you're gonna do, you need to find out what bolt pattern you have right here, 10 millimeter or 15 millimeters. Most e-bikes have 15 millimeter bolts in the back, and then all it does is you loosen the bolt here, slide this down and tighten the bolt back up. And what I like about these is you can actually fold them up when not in use. They're out of the way. They're nice, strong aluminum. You can see how someone could sit back here, ride a passenger here, and the feet go back here, and they're way out of the way of my pedals right here, so I don't have to worry about it. This is one of the most affordable, kind of coolest upgrades you can do, especially on one of these moped style e-bikes, or even one that has a cage in the back. You can get a seat to mount back there and mount these on here. If you got like a small child, you can easily run back here, and it gives them a place to put their feet back here. And I've been using these for around about maybe 6 months, and they have been really good. Look at how they just kind of like still holding up on the flop down feature right there. They're out of the way when I don't need them, then back when I need them. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the, back passenger pegs for e-bikes or bicycles in general. See you on the next video.